Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Go to YouTube.com and sign in with your Google account now. Make sure you use the account associated with your watched videos. Click the 3 horizontal lines at the top left to open the main menu. Select History from that left menu to open your activity timeline. The History page shows watched videos and search activities in chronological order. Use the tabs to switch between Watch History and Search History lists. Keep your browser window maximized to see more items at once. Open the YouTube app and tap your profile icon at the top right. Make sure you are signed into the same Google account you use on desktop. Tap your data in YouTube to reach history and privacy settings quickly. Alternatively, open Settings, then select History and Privacy to access history controls. Tap View Watch History to see your chronological list of watched videos. Use the search field to find specific videos by title or channel within your history. Click Clear All Watch History to remove every video from your timeline quickly. Confirm the action when prompted to permanently delete those watched items. Select Pause Watch History to stop future videos from being recorded in your account. You can also use Remove from Watch History on individual videos to delete specific items only. To remove search items, open Search History and clear or pause those entries similarly. These controls sync across devices when you remain signed into the same account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.